Dropshipping versus SMA. Which one should you go for? Now, I've had experience with both types of business models. I've done dropshipping and I've had a lot of success with the on the SMA side. But in this video, I wanted to share with you my experience with both services and give you my opinions on which one you should go for, and whether if you are either currently doing one or the other, then maybe this will give you insight on what the other business model will look like. So, for example, if you're doing dropshipping, I'm gonna let you know what SMA is like, and if you're doing SMA, I'm gonna let you know what how dropshipping is. So I initially started with dropshipping before I started my digital marketing agency. By the way, if you're not subscribed to this journey, I run a digital marketing agency. I built this agency six figures all up from my bedroom. So subscribe to the journey if you want to know more content, free resources, grow your agency. But before I had built my digital marketing agency, I was trying to figure out ways to make money online and from anywhere in the world. And before I knew anything about digital marketing, before SMA was even a term, I was doing dropshipping, and I was doing a lot of other things, but dropshipping was probably one of the main things that I was doing, that I knew what to do. And I've actually had a lot of success with dropshipping. I think we made, me and my team, we did 50,000, 60,000. No, actually that was profit. We did about 120,000 or so in revenue within about 6 to 8 months, and then $50,000 was profit. So 50,000 of it was about profit, and it had split with two other partners. So we came out with 50 divided by 3, whatever that is, about 20,000 each, a little bit less than 20,000 each within 6 to 8 months. Now we were doing what most dropshippers were doing. We were getting products off of AliExpress, and then we would relist it on websites such as eBay. Now, that eBay was probably our main website that we were relisting our products on, and we would just mark up the price. We would double the price, whatever we listed the product, whatever we would get the product for. We would just pretty much double the price on eBay. At the time, we were getting products from AliExpress for maybe about $20, maybe a little less, because we were at one point we started wholesaling things, and then we started shipping things out from home. So when we wholesale things, we got the products for a cheaper cost, which increased our profits. So we were getting products per maybe 12 to 15 to $18 per product, and then we were reselling it for 40, 50, all the way up to even $60. So the profit margin was actually very high. We were getting about $20 to $30 for every product sold, and then we would have to pay eBay fees and PayPal fees. So eBay fees was about, I believe it's 10%. I don't know if it's changed or not. It's been a while. This was like 2 years ago. And then we did we paid the PayPal fees, which is an additional 3% plus 30 cents or something like that. So that's what we did for dropshipping, at the time it was great because I would wake up and we would be making sales throughout the days. I would get notifications on my phone, you made a sale, and you would just see money go into your PayPal account, which was all super exciting at the time because as a new entrepreneur, you figured out you're making your first couple of dollars online. It is a very exciting thing, and so at the time, for all of us, we were very excited. We were making money with drop shipping. Every time we made a sale, it was a $40, $50 sale. It goes to our PayPal account. So that was really cool at the time. But the downside of drop shipping are, I would say, two things. The number one downside of dropshipping, and I'm not really sure if it's even considered a downside, it's just one of the things that you will encounter as a dropshipper, and it's customer service support. So when you're dropshipping the way that we did it, it took weeks. It took weeks for the product to arrive to the person who purchased the product. And so from here, you get a lot of people who complain about, where's my product? I've been waiting for 1 week, 2 weeks, where's my product, right? And so it's just one of those things where you got to take the time out to reply to everybody. At the time, we didn't hire anyone to reply to our customers for us. We were just pretty much do it manually, replying to customers, and that's how we did customer support. So imagine selling hundreds of products a week, thousands of products a week. We were averaging maybe on a good day we would make like 10 sales, so it's like $500 or about $1,000 in revenue sales per day. That's how crazy it was, pretty much. that was our best days. And a week later or two, people are going to start complaining, where's my product and things like that. And so that's just something you have to deal with. Now there are other ways where you could drop ship from outside of eBay. You can drop ship from, if you created a website and then you run ads to your website and things like that. We didn't do it that way, just because we didn't want to do paid ads. And I've messed with paid ads to do drop shipping, but haven't found too much success with it. It turned out to, running Facebook ads and things like that actually costs a lot of money, and for you to make sales and things like that. So paid ads, we just didn't see, we didn't want to invest. We rather just use organic traffic from eBay for sure, get our profits, and then we'll cut our, profits with eBay and PayPal and things like that. So that's what we did. And the second thing I would say was the downside of drop shipping was, I didn't see the long term strategy. I didn't see it as a long term business model, just because you're just pretty much getting a product off of AliExpress, Alibaba, or wherever you're sourcing your products from, and then you're just kind of like being the middleman, right? You're just linking this person up to the product that they want, and you're just sending the product to them. We could have probably branded the product to, build brand awareness. But even then, it's like, then you just have to stick with one product, right? The whole purpose of drop shipping is to be able to have access to inventory, all types of different types of inventory and products and things like that. So we're not limited to just, branding one product, which would cost money, where we have to brand a very specific product, whatever that may be. So we didn't do any branding. We would just get the product, find the person that wants to purchase this product, and then send them that product, and we would be the middleman. We would collect the profit in the middle. So it wasn't any type of long-term business model. It was great at the time. We were making great money, but eventually, you're gonna run into obstacles with PayPal, and this is why I'm not a big fan of PayPal. I don't even use PayPal anymore. PayPal held on to our money for over 180 days because we were drop shipping. PayPal is not a very big fan when it comes to drop shipping, because they are all about seller's experience. So buyer's experience. If the buyer complains anything about, where's my product hasn't came, my tracking number isn't uploaded yet, or the product never came, the product doesn't look like what it explained, they can make up any type of BS, and PayPal will, limit your account. They're gonna put a hold on your account. They might force you to refund that buyer, that seller, and think that buyer. Sorry about that. They will make you refund to that buyer. And so what happened to me was, we had thousands of dollars in our PayPal account, and mind you, even we would still withdraw money every single week. We would withdraw money every time we possibly could, but at one point we had a couple thousands in PayPal, and PayPal put a hold on my account because we couldn't verify our source or something like that, right? They would say, where is the receipt? We would send them all the information that they asked for, and they would still hold on to our money for 6 months. So for 180 days, that is 6 months, they held on to our money. And we weren't able to touch that money for 6 months. We had a limit on our on my PayPal account, so we couldn't make any transactions, we couldn't make sales anymore. And that's just a reason why I don't like doing dropshipping with PayPal, especially if you're doing dropshipping with PayPal. PayPal tends to hold on to your money, and they will ask you for specific information that is very hard to get, like they're going to ask for transaction IDs and all this type of stuff. And even when you provide it to them, they're still going to hold on to your money. So that's the downside of that. So that's drop shipping. I would say, I wouldn't say I had a great amount of success with it, where, we were able to sustain through those things and stuff like that. But, I still had drop shipping was, I still had my experience with drop shipping. Would I do it again? No. But do I regret what I did? No, because I've gained a ton of experience. We did make some money from it, and that was kind of like my intro to seeing what's possible. Like, wow, I'm making money online. Like, people are purchasing from something for me, and money's going into my PayPal account. I can withdraw it, and it goes to my bank account, and it's I'm not even working really. I'm just at home, and I just see money coming through. Now, if I compare that to SMMA, digital marketing, which one would I choose? I would 100% choose social media marketing agency, digital marketing agency, just because the business model lasts a lot longer. It's a longer term investment or longer term business model. You're building a brand, you're building a business, and you're actually solving a problem, right? So with drop shipping, you're just linking one person to whatever product that they're looking for, and you're just grabbing as many inventory as possible, and you're just listing everything on a website and hoping that someone will buy your products, right, from you. And even then, they might just go to Amazon and find the product and things like that. But with digital marketing, you're helping real business owners. You're helping businesses grow with your services. So whether, you're offering SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing, whatever it is that you're offering, you're solving a real life problem. You're helping a business owner. You're helping somebody grow their business, and you're helping people, right? In general, you're helping business owners grow and stuff like that. And for me, that is something I enjoy way much more. I'm able to build relationship with people, with my clients. I'm able to, really help people grow their business. And in return, it's a very rewarding business model and industry to be in, just because, clients are very thankful. They're very appreciative when you're able to help their business, their baby that they work so hard on. And that is why I've, enjoyed being a part of this agency. I've only had it for, a little over 12 months now. We started in November 2018. It is now Cinco de Mayo, May 5th here in 2020. So I've only had it for, 15 months or so, right? 12, something like that, 17 months, whatever, 18 months. But the main thing is here, I've been able to scale this agency a lot faster. I've made way much more than I've ever done with any other type of business model. And I started with zero experience, zero marketing knowledge, nothing at all. That gave me a head start over anybody else. I literally just got into it because my friend had purchased a Tai Lopez course, and he asked me if I wanted to go through it with him. So I said, sure. I'm trying to make money online, and I want to figure out more ways to make money. And so I went through that course. It was a cool little introduction to the SMMA world. I didn't know what SMA stood for, or anything about digital marketing. I didn't know it was the thing. And yeah, I just got started, and within months, I scaled the agency to 6 figures, and I did it all from my bedroom. I now use this YouTube channel to pass back my mistakes, knowledge, resources, and things like that to you guys, so that you could be more educated on what is possible. And for those of you that are looking to start an agency, or maybe you are an agency owner, you can use this YouTube channel as a platform to get your resources from and things like that. And so I have a private Facebook group, and where you can download free resources. The link is in the description. I'm currently working on a brand new 90-minute free webinar training, and that's going to be released within the next week. So if you guys want to catch the new webinar training where I teach you guys my top 3 secret strategies to grow your agency, it's exact secrets and strategies I've used currently to grow my agency, then make sure you turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel if you want to check out that webinar training. For those of you who don't want to wait for the webinar training, you just want to watch the training right now, I do have an exclusive training that's in the link, or it's in the description right now, and you can sign up for that and watch the training on that. It's a 90-minute training, and you'll be able to learn, from A to Z how to grow your agency. That's pretty cool, right? So A to Z, how to grow your agency. Link is in the description. Hopefully this was helpful to you. For those of you who are doing drop shipping, there's SMA if you want to get started with that. And I understand. Someone actually just reached out to me recently. They said that they recently sold their dropshipping business, and they wanted to get started in SMA because they didn't see the long-term business model behind dropshipping. And I've been through it. I know why. I understand it. But when you get into SMA and you want to build a business that lasts, you want to build something that actually helps people and makes them real money, then social media marketing agency is something that I highly recommend. Digital marketing, learn the skills, find clients, deliver the results, and you get paid, you get compensated very well for that. From there, build systems to automate your entire business so that you can take yourself outside of the business and, maybe start your own YouTube channel, go play basketball with your friends, go travel, whatever it is. But definitely you're going to have much more time to do the things that you want to do, right? So if you guys want to know more about that training, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'll let you guys know when the webinar training is finished. It's a 90-minute training, A to Z, how to start your agency. All the resources, links, and things like that are in the description. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below on what type of video you want me to create next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.